Now here we will be starting with question 6. Let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB 6 cm, BC 8 cm and angle B 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So first we have to draw a triangle, that is right angle triangle. So first I'll be drawing a line segment, and that line segment, let it be of 8 centimeter. So from here to here I am drawing it as 8 centimeter, and I will name it as B and C. At B, I'll draw an angle of 90 degree. So I'll be drawing 90 degree angle. Draw 90 degree angle. That angle, the measurement of AB should be 6 centimeter as it is given. So we will be extending it little bit up. So I'll name it A, and now I will join AC. See, I have joined AC here. Once AC is joined, our first line is over. Then they are telling BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. Now how to draw the perpendicular? See the steps very properly. From B, I'll take an arc more than. Don't take too big. Okay, it should be little big like this. Okay, can make it little more small, no issues. We can see here two different arcs you can find when you draw it from here and here. So again, without changing the measurement of the compass, we'll put it here. I'll draw it here and I'll draw it here. We can see the mark. From that particular mark, I will join B. So this will make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, and we can name it as D. This point we can name as D. Now they are telling B, C and D. You have to draw the circle through B, C and D. B, C and D. In any triangle we have to draw the circle through B, C, D and D. The best thing is we will draw the side bisectors. Take any two sides and draw their perpendicular bisectors. So here I am taking the side BC. So what I will do, I'll take a measurement more than half. BC ka more than half I'll take, and I'll put one here, one up here, here. See, it's not matching, so again I'll put on C and I'll extend. Okay, and we will join it. So I'm joining these two things. So here we are joining it. Okay, then one more side. So it is your choice. Either you take DC or you take DB. I will take side DB because this side no construction is there, so easy for you to understand. Again, more than half. More than half we'll take here. Okay, it creates a problem for you, so I'll put it this. One is here, one is here. Then I'll place it on D. Okay, then we will join. Up, see, arcs are meeting here only, but my second perpendicular is here. So what I will do, my perpendicular is getting over here only, but I am not getting center. So what I will be doing, I'll be extending this. So it will meet at point, and this is our center of the circle. So I'll name it as O, because they are asking the circle through ABCD is drawn. So I am taking as O as a point, and I'll place it on B, or you can take as measurement of OC, and from there you will draw the circle. It will cover all the 3 points. See properly, it is covering our all the 3 points. Automatically it will cover B, C and D. It will cover all the 3 points. Okay, so our this much part is over. Now they are telling construct the tangents from A to this circle. From A to this circle. So again our method is same. From A to O we will be drawing one line, and we have drawn one line from A to O. Then again for A to O we will be more than half for A to O. So it will be that side and it will be okay, and from here I'll be drawing like this. This side it is not matching to the cut arc, so I'll put one more arc. Now I have got the 2 arcs. So from here to here, okay, we will be joining the line join. This point I'll make it dark for you. You can see it here, dark. Now this, let us name it some new alphabet. I'll name it E. So AE is our radius. Everybody can see, and from there I am drawing the circle. See, one arc is already AB only. One tangent will be AB only. You don't have to construct one tangent, and second tangent you have to construct, and that you can see from here a circle is intersecting where it's intersecting here. So this is our tangent. I'll make it dark for you. You do it at last. This circle ko touch ho rahi hai, the line from A. This is your tangent 1, and from A, this line AB of the triangle, that will only convert into tangent, but this you will be able to see at the last. So one tangent is AB and the second tangent is AT1. These are the 2 tangents. So thus the required tangents are, okay, you will be writing thus AB and AT1 are the required tangents. Understood everyone? Though I know that there are lot of constructions, so please watch the video again and again very properly, and along with the videos do the constructions. So that will make your work very easy and you will be able to do a proper construction.